Hey everybody, it's Bruce here, and I want to show you something that I'm seeing with the Sorkin speaker page. This is the start of the Sorkin.html for assignment 3. And as soon as you save this, notice what happens to this paragraph of text right here, and this paragraph of text, and this one, all right? What is going on is the formatting of the paragraph is getting all wonky. That's because there is a setting inside of Visual Studio Code that wraps the text in a certain way depending upon how many characters, right? So again, as soon as I save that, it got all messed up. And if I try to do this, see how it's like reformatting the paragraph? See, if I try to make it look good, it's still like doing weird stuff, right? Weird stuff here. See? You see this right here, and you see this. Whoops. You see this right here. Watch this. You see that? Now it's kind of looking correct, right? And the reason why this is happening is because by default, Visual Studio Code is looking for 120 characters, and then it's inserting a line feed here, all right? So you can do what I just did to fix it all, and then you can go ahead here and wrap it in an HTML tag. Watch this. Control-Shift-P, and then I'll say wrap, and then P, and notice how it nicely puts the text. Whoops, I forgot to hit enter. Whoops. Control-Shift-P. Check it out. Control-Shift-P. Emit wrap with abbreviation P, enter. And notice how the text looks really good now. You see this right here? Now, there's you can do this just like I did. Save it and then reformat the text to be formatted correctly so it looks perfect, just like you would if you were doing an English paper or something like that. All right. So let's see what happened. I saved it again and it got all messed up. So what's going on? So here's what you need to do. Right. I can go in here, right, and keep doing this and keep playing games, right, with the text, right, like this, like I keep doing, right, where I keep moving things back, and see it keeps messing things up, right? You can do this, right, all day and all night until you get it right, right? Check it out. I'm going to do this. I'm going to fix this. Bring it over there. But watch, as soon as I save it, it's going to again mess it up. And again, you could do this. This is okay to do it this way. And now notice I'm not getting anything messed up anymore. Yay, that's good. Your other option here, and let's just do it to this paragraph here as well. When I save this, right, and when I select this and I bring up the command palette and I wrap it in a paragraph tag, right? Notice when I save it again, it gets all messed up, right? So I could, right, start here and start fixing all these things by bringing them back to the line before, okay? Just like I'm going to keep doing it, right, like that. And see how it's still messed up, but I'm fixing it one line at a time, right? Whoops, one line at a time here, right? So that's better. That looks good. The other option that you have is you can tell Visual Studio Code in the File, Preferences, Settings, and if I type in here HTML wrap, by default, it's counting over 120 columns, and then it's like creating a new line. And that's what was causing this behavior, right? It was counting over 120 and then, bringing stuff to the next line. Now, you could do what I did, and you want to have the text perfect, right? You want to have this text perfect, not the way it was when I initially started. So your other option, okay, is to go File, like I just did, File, where are you? File, Preferences, Settings, and then type in HTML wrap. And if you set this to 0, just like this, 0, whoops, 0, right? And I go back here and save it, everything still looks good, just so you know. But let me take this paragraph right here. Let me wrap it in a paragraph tag, P, and save it. And now look what happens. Everything is not getting messed up anymore. Do you see that? It's not getting messed up. All right? So you want to be sure. In fact, if I add more words over here, check this out. This is more stuff, right? Notice how when I save it, it's not getting messed up. It's retaining the exact formatting that I'm typing in, all right? So again, you don't want to have messy, broken up words in a paragraph. Pretend it's an English paper, right, that you're submitting for an English class. You wouldn't submit words on a new line. So I know I just threw a lot at you, but you want to make sure that your text in a paragraph is nicely formatted. All right? Thanks for watching. Have a good day. And if you have any questions, catch me on Slack.